Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to allow required permissions for the notifications to be sent from your phone to your watch. To do that, first we need to find the Garmin Connect application icon and then press and hold on it. Once the menu pops up, tap on App Info, and here we need to find the permissions option and tap on it. Okay, and here we have the list of different permissions. And we have two lists actually. We have allowed and not allowed. And if you want to receive the notifications, let's say about calls from your phone, you will need to allow the call log, phone, and I don't think you need to allow contacts, but it might be not required, but recommended. Oh, let's call it that. If you want to receive the notifications from the calendar events, you will need to allow the calendar. And if you want to receive the notifications from the SMS, you will need to allow the SMS permission. I'm gonna allow all of them for the sake of the video, but you can customize it to your liking. So to allow the permission, of course, you need to tap on it, tap on allow, and then go back, and same for the rest of them. Okay. So once you allow the permissions here, you can close the settings. Now we can open main settings on our phone, the settings app. Here we need to find the option called apps, then tap on special app access, and here you're looking for the option called either device and app notifications or notification access. It could be called one of those. If you're having problems finding this option, you can always tap on the search button and look for it right here, or at the search bar. Okay, so let's go back to apps, special app access, device and app notifications, or it could be notification access. And once you open this page, you should see list of applications, and on it there should be Garmin Connect. Tap on the Garmin Connect, and if it's disabled, enable the allow notification access. Then tap on allow, and once it's enabled, we can close the settings. Now we can open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Tap on more, Garmin devices, and here select your Forerunner 265. Now scroll down, find the option called notifications and alerts, and tap on it, and then select smart notifications. And here we have during activity, general use. Basically, two states of the watch. During activity is when you're recording activity on your watch. So you have some activity running, like running, cycling, and stuff like that. And general use is when you're not recording activity, everything else basically. So let's tap on during activity. We can turn on the notifications during activity, and then you will have three types of notifications. We have calls, text, and apps. And you can customize the behavior for them. We can turn off the notifications, for example, for calls. We can enable it, and we can also enable and disable the tone and vibration, so the beeping sound and vibration of the watch. And you can do this for the texts and the applications. I mean, you can customize this. You don't need to enable the same options as I did. Okay. Next we have the general use. So normal usage of the watch. We can enable the notifications, customize it for different types of notifications. Okay. And then we have also additional options like privacy and timeout. Privacy allows you to basically select press start and gesture. So if you select press start and you receive the notification on your watch, the content of the notification will be hidden, and you will need to press the start button, so this one, to reveal the content. And the gesture, you will need to perform the wrist gesture, I believe. And the timeout option allows you to select or choose for how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. And you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. So select the preferred option. Okay, and once you're done setting up your notifications, go back to the main page of settings here. Sync the devices together by tapping on this button. And now you should be able to receive the notifications after it's done syncing. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we'll see if it's working. And as you can see, we got the notification on our phone and also on our watch. If we go to the notifications, not here, that's Messenger. Notifications. It was here. Let me actually send it again so we can confirm it. As you can see, here we have our notification, and on our watch, we also have the notifications. You can dismiss it, mark it as read, and whatever. You can also remove it if I remember correctly. Okay. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.